Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove movies from my list on Netflix. So my list on Netflix is the list of shows or movies that you want to watch later when you have time, let's say. So if you want to remove movies, here's how you can do it. So first you can click on the categories here on the Netflix homepage on your phone, and you can go to my list. So click on my list. So here are the list of my lists on my Netflix, and if you want to remove a list, you can just click on one of the movies. For example, I want to remove this, click on the movie's title. Then here you can see the my list is now currently checked. So to remove it, you can just click on this button again to uncheck it or to remove it from your list. Like this. So when you go back, the movie that you selected will not be there on your list again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.